चिंतामणि प्रकर सद्मसु कल्पवृक्ष लक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मी सहस्रशतो संभ्रमसेव्यमानम् गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि चिंतामणि प्रकर सद्मसु कल्पवृक्षलक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मी सहस्रशत संभ्रम सेव्यमानम् गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि वेनं कन्वन्तं अरविन्ददलयताक्षं वेणुं कन्वन्तं अरविन्ददलयताक्षं बरहावतं समसितां बुधसुन्दराङ्गम् कन्दर्पकोटि कमनीय विशेषशोभं गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि चिंतामणि प्रकर सद्मसु कल्पवृक्ष लक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मी सहस्रशत संभ्रम सेव्यमानम् गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि आलोलचन्द्रकलश वनमालवंशी रत्नांगदं प्रणयकेली कलाविलासं श्यामं त्रिभंगललितं नियतप्रकाशं गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि चिंतामणि प्रकर सद्मसु कल्पवृक्षलक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मी सहस्र शत संभ्रम सेव्यमानं गोविन्दं आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। गोविन्दं आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। गोविन्दं आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। चिंतामणि अंगानि यस्य सकलेन्द्रियवृत्तिमन्ति पश्यन्ति पान्ति कलयन्ति चिरं जगन्ति। अंगानि यस्य सकलेन्द्रियवृत्तिमन्ति पश्यन्ति पान्ति कलयन्ति चिरं जगन्ति। आनंद चिन्मय सदु जल विग्रहस्य गोविन्दं आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। चिंतामणि प्रकर सद्मसु कल्पवृक्ष लक्षावृतेषु सुरभि रवि पालयन्तं लक्ष्मी सहस्रशत संभ्रम सेव्यमानं गोविन्दं आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। 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 चिंतामणि प्रकर सद्मसु कल्पवृक्ष लक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरविपालयन्तं चिंतामणि। The materialistic demeanor cannot possibly stretch to the transcendental autocrat who is ever inviting the fallen conditioned soul to associate with him through devotion or eternal serving mode. The phenomenal attractions are often found to attempt sentient being to enjoy the variegated position which is opposed to undifferenced monism. People are so much apt to indulge in transitory speculation even when they are to educate themselves on the situation beyond their empiric area or experiencing jurisdiction, and almost foolishly they dare to declare that God is dead. The songs of Brahma Samhita as Chintamani Prakara Sadvasu will surely help such souls in their march toward the personality of Godhead in the spiritual kingdom, which is lying beyond their sensuous gaze of inspection. The so-called astronomers cannot even definitely give us information of the visible sky, which is overflooded with sunlight during daytime and moonlight at night. We can however learn about spiritual kingdom from the Bhagavad Gita, that it is situated far, far beyond the visible sky, and in that sky there is no need of sunlight or moonlight or even electricity. There are innumerable spiritual planets in that self-effulgent sky, and the gross estimate of that sky is given in the Bhagavad Gita, that the material world, wherein there are innumerable suns and moons, is only 1/4 of the whole kingdom of God. This